Okay, I promised when I got this I would do an unboxing video. Ugh. Very heavy package. You'll notice the pierogi cat. This is the Comics Catacomb one-time surprise package. So I have no idea what's in here. It is genuinely a surprise package. I believe I got the large one. And oh, it's a shame to cut through that label, but there you are. All right. Oh my. Ah. Sorry about the bumping around. There's a lot in this box. Okay. So first off, we have a whack of comics. And there's a real mix in here. DC and Marvel. There's some Hellblazer, Kick-Ass, New Mutants, Daredevil, some Vertigo titles that I don't recognize, Mystic. They're all sort of odd numbers. There's an X-Men right at the bottom. Yeah, so that'll be interesting. This looks like a full set of I Am Legion Dancing Fawn. Very nice. Haven't read that one, so that's going to be interesting. Oh, another Hellblazer. Oh, hot damn. Okay, Frank Miller's Batman Noir, Dark Knight Returns. Still sealed. Oh my. A laser disc. James Bond Deluxe Edition laser disc. You're not going to find that in a lot of places now. My God. Oh, look at this cheesiness inside. So very 80s. Oh my. Okay, now we're getting some interesting stuff. I have some ear jewelry. A very nice little, rather beat up Matchbox car. Some toys. A little soldier. Oh yeah. Hamlet 2 Sexy Jesus car freshener. That might be going in my car. What else have we got? We have a Kiss trading card, just single out of its package. Still sealed, New Kids on the Block trading cards. Yeah. A Betty Page pinup magnet. Hot. Oh my God. Ah, it's one of Gareth's original paintings. I love these. I actually bought one of these. Ah! A Double Bubble Spider-Man sticker. A Sisters of Mercy trading card. Oh, very nice. Okay, we're in this one. Devil Girl. Devil Girl button. Weirdo badges. Semi Louise Agents for Beehive. Some new music. Okay. Pat the Brat digest comic. Some Collector's Choice NFL trading cards. Oh, and a whole bunch of loose random trading cards. We have some Twilight Zone items. Oh, a sticker that says have fun before it's too late. I like that one. Oh, very vintage OPG hockey cards. These are the same era that I would have put in the spokes of my bicycle. These are These bring back memories. Art Babe. I don't know who Art Babe is, but I'm kind of an Art Babe, so cheers. Oh. Oh, yeah. Serenity trading cards. Very cool. Yes. I'll be scanning some of this stuff too, just for the heck of it. David Cranken's pulp fiction novel, Illustrated Lovely Story. Interesting. A book, Ian Sinclair, Landor's Tower. Ooh. Vince Vaughn's Wild West comedy show. Why do I feel that has not aged well? Yeah, we'll see. We have some Alfred Hitchcock stories. This will be nice reading. Oh, it has that old book stored in a basement smell. Oh, speaking of old books, some old comics. Disney and Turok, Son of Stone. These are old enough. They were 12 cents on the cover price there. Another Gareth original. Okay, this is totally worth it now. Aliens Deadliest of the Species Predator, which looks like it's two sides. Some sort of mini comic. Oh, what do we got here? We have, Living Color. Yes, that goes with the Sisters of Mercy one. We have a pulp war comic. We have Peekaboo by the Cadillacs and Oh Oh Lolita on the B side. The 45 RPM, which I actually can play. Some Micronauts comics. I know where those are going. This is one of the Magic Teeth records. So this is The Choir, Life on Mars, Electrolyte. And again, I will be able to play that. We have a Spider-Man, a couple of Spider-Man comics. Oh, and we're getting into, oh yes, a Mad Super Special. I'll be reading this one. Very classic era. Ooh. Yeah, I'm guessing 80s. Super cheap, $1. Yeah. We have the Star Wars Galaxy Collector. Oh, with a poster of Darth Maul in the middle. So this would have been Phantom Menace era. A Batman New Adventures carded. Giles political cartoons. These are, my parents loved these. So again, it's kind of memory lane stuff. And, oh, okay, this is kind of cool. This is Land Speeder Plans. Luke's Land Speeder. I love it. Sorry this is all reversed. It's because I'm using the front camera. I'll see if I can flip it before I upload it. Oh my goodness. This is like an old greeting card. Very 70s. And have some diamond stickers. Oh, Fievel Goes West. It looks like a little puzzle, sort of. I don't know. Jury's out on what that is. And at the very bottom, we have a snowman Pez. How festive. And a single broken Tinker toy. Thanks, Gareth.